here in the end of this chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. In today's video, we'll see how to plot the number or the coordinate in a graph or Cartesian plane. Different values of x and y that has been given to you. Then you have to find the coordinate of those values of x and y, and that you have to put on the graph or plot on the graph. So in this video we'll see how to plot different values of x and y in a Cartesian plane. Let's watch the video. Student, today we'll see how to plot a point in the plane if its coordinates are given to you. Correct? See, these are the coordinates that is given to you. So we are solving example number 3. Coordinate are 5 0 0 5 2 5 5 2 minus 3 5 minus 3 minus 5 5 minus 3 and 6 1. So these are the different coordinates that is given to you, and you have to locate one by one. Correct? Now let us see the first one, 5 and 0. As you know, 5 is for x-axis, correct? And 5 is given positive. So in x-axis you check where is 5. Here it is 5. Have you seen? Here it is 5. And y-axis given 0. That means it will lie on the x-axis itself. That lie on x-axis itself. Correct? Now you have to locate the points. So the first point you have to locate here itself. So put one point. Okay. And this point is, you can name it. Suppose we'll name it as okay. Let it be point A. Correct, na? Let it be point A. Then next one you see 0 and 5. So the first value is for x-axis. 0 means here itself. Correct? And what is the value of y? That is 5. 5 is positive, so it will go upward. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here will be the point. And this point you can name it as point B. Correct? So this is the way how we can locate the points. Next one you see 2 and 5. 2 is for x-axis. You check in x-axis where is 2, and that is also positive. So here is 2. Have you seen? This is 2. And y, that is of y-axis, and positive also. Correct? So y-axis positive 5 is here. Okay, that is 5 here. So where will be the coordinate? You check, it touches here in this point. Okay. So we can also write in this way. Okay. Just join it. Correct? And you name it C. Understood? So C is for what? X is 2 and y is 5. Just you can write in bracket in this way. Say the fourth one, 5 and 2. So 5 is for x-axis. Now you check, and 5 is also positive. So you check here, here it is 5. Correct? This is 5 given to you. And the other value is 2, and 2 is of y-axis. So here is 2 for y-axis. So where it will go and meet? Let's see. So 5 it will come till here, correct? And from 2 you join it till here. Okay, and you can name it as point D. So you write here the value of x first, that is 5, and the value of y, that is 2. Okay. So next you see minus 3 and 5. Minus 3 is for x axis. So where is minus 3? Here is minus 3. Correct? This is minus 3. And y axis of 5, positive 5. So here it's positive 5. Okay. So you find out the coordinates. So from minus 3 till here. Okay. Then from here you join it. From this point you join it till here. Correct? So where it is joined, you write it as point E. Okay, you give it as point E. And the value of the point E you can write here, x, that is 3, and y will be 5. Sorry, x will be minus 3 and y is 5. Correct? Next you see minus 3 and minus 5. So x axis is minus 3, we already have seen here in x axis minus 3, and y axis is minus 5, that is down, you see. Correct? This is minus 5. So you join it till here, and from here you join till here. Correct? Okay. And this point you can give point F. You write it as point F. Then you write the value minus 3 and minus 5. Minus 3, minus 5. That is point F. And the coordinate of F is minus 3 and minus 5. Correct? Next you see 5 and minus 3. So 5 is positive. You check where is 5 positive. Here you will find 5 positive. And y is minus 3. So minus 3 you can get here. Correct? So where will be the point? So you can join here. Till here you join it. 3, na? Till here you join it. Okay. And from here, yes. So this will be the coordinate, and you can name it point G. Any name you can give, okay. I have used G, correct? And you write the coordinate 5 and minus 3. Okay. And the last one 6, 1. So 6 stands for x axis. So here you can see 6, x axis. Correct? And 1 is for y axis. So here is 1, y axis. So you write the coordinate. So it will go till here. Just from here to here you just extend. And from here also you can extend it. Okay. Then from here you extend here till here. And you can name it point H. Correct? Give it point H and write the value. So first you write the value of x axis, that is 6, then y axis is 1. You got it, na? This is how we can plot different coordinates. Okay. So student, we are going to solve example number 4. Plot the following ordered pairs of x and y of numbers as points in the Cartesian plane. So here different values of x and y that has been given to you. Correct? So these values you have to plot on the Cartesian plane. See the first one, x has got minus 3 and y is of 7. So in the place of x is, you choose -3. So here we got -3, correct? And y is 7. So here we got y as 7. Okay. So both you join together. You plot the numbers. Correct? It is still here. Again from here you can join it. Okay, from here you can join it. So we can name it, give some name. Let it be point A. Correct? And in bracket you write here x is -3, so you write -3, then y is 7, so you put here 7. Okay, so that is the way we have to plot. Next one, you see 0 and see x is given 0 and y is given -3.5. Since x is 0, 0 will be here itself. Okay, 0, and y is what? -3.5. So you check here, -1 is there, -2, -3 and -4. 3.5 means what? It will come in between this -3 and 4. So this will be the point, correct? And this point you can name it as point B. Okay, and you write value of x is 0, so you put here 0 and y would be -3.5. Okay, -3.5. See the next one, x is -1 and y is -3. So x -1, so we got here x is -1, correct? And y is -3, so it will come down here -3. So both you join it, -1, okay, then -3. So here will be the coordinate. So you can put here point C. Okay. And what are the values of x here? -1 and -3. Correct? That is -3. -1 and -3. Check the next. X is 4, y is also 4. So x4 we already got here. Here x4 and y4 will be here. Correct? So you find out the coordinate. So it will come till here, and from 4 also you join it till here. Correct? Then you name it as point D. See, naming it depends on you. Any letters you can use. Correct? So write here D, and in bracket you write the values. So what is the value of x we got here? 4. Correct? And y is also 4. So both you put it inside the bracket. And the last one you see x2 and y is -3. So x2, here we got x as 2 and y is -3. So it will come down -3. So it will come till here. Okay. And you write it as E, point E. Okay. That will be point E. And what are the values of point E? X is 2 and y is -3. I hope children you understood.